Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different thing. Now this is a game icon that I'm using in my Flappy Bird inspired game. I have it already particle up and stylized and all that, but I think adding a little bit of an animation once it's stagnant would be kind of cool. And so what we're going to do is basically the same thing that we did with the gems, the sapphire and the amethyst. We're just going to add a little bit of a light reflection on it. So we're going to do that. Now this is actually going to be a little bit difficult because this is already up to scale, and this is how I have it scaled up in Game Engine. This is a 60 by 68, so it is going to be a little bit difficult, but not too hard. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, all we're doing is adding a little bit of a glimmer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and first I need to add a new layer. And then all I'm going to do is just follow this pattern, honestly. Like I mentioned, it is going to be a little bit of a pain because, like I mentioned, it's already scaled up to Game Engine. Now, normally, you would want to do this. Go ahead and play so they show what we're doing. Normally, you would want to do this before you scale it up, but this is something that I did afterwards. So, and in theory, I could do it, but in theory, I could do it, but it would be just a pain, especially since I have everything in Game Engine already flushed. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and add one. And all I'm gonna do, dimension. I don't know why I did that. And I'm just following this pattern. What I was saying is that normally you would want to do this in a smaller size. I think the original one was a 32 by 35 or something like that. Then I scaled it up so fit in Game Engine. And you will want to do these animations before you put it in Game Engine. But again, since I decided to do this after the fact, I kind of have to just work with a bigger canvas. But since the animation is pretty simple, it is really not going to be that difficult. And then we're just going to add another frame. I need to delete that. Again, all I'm doing is just following this pattern. And what's cool about this is that I will have this play on the Game Engine on loop. And I think that's just gonna give it that wow factor. There we go. And we're gonna go ahead and add another frame. Same thing. Now, obviously, if this was a much more intricate piece, I would bite the bullet and do it the pre-scale, but that'd be a lot more work. And since this, like I mentioned, is relatively simple, quick animation, we can do it this way. That way I don't have to struggle. Just fill that in. There we go. And then another frame. Beat that. Beat that. Same thing. These little white lines right here are the filler. Not enough to make it to where I can fill it, so I gotta do it pixel by pixel. I think that's gonna work out. Anyways, my brother just got the Combat Evolve Halo for the PlayStation 5, and he was gonna sell it. I was like, no, man, you can't sell that. So he was gonna sell it online. I was like, no, forget that, man. I'll buy it from you. And so I literally bought him from him. Like, how are you gonna sell that one as soon as you got it, bro? Come on. So I'm gonna play that, but I'm so close of actually finishing that project. To where I'll be ready to like showcases. Anybody that's been watching my videos will see the game I've been working on. Again, it's just a Flappy Bird inspired game with just my spin to it. And so I'm very, very close finishing it. I think I'm actually going to be able to finish it. I wouldn't say by the end of this month, but possibly by the end of next month, maybe. Literally, I'm just polishing it, adding little bits, things to make it look unique, you know. I don't want it to just be a generic clone. I actually want to make it to where people say like, oh man, he really put a lot of thought behind it. But I mean, it's a clone, so I can't really say it's too original, but you know. It's gonna be the first actual project that I did, and then, you know, it'd be kind of cool once it's done. So that delete. And the reason why I'm doing this actually in a separate layer like that and deleting it, guys, instead of copying it, is because these plaques or medals, they're already in game engine, and so all I'm going to do is create this little animation to where they'll sit on top of it on the plaques and just play on loop on every instance. And I think once that is done, I'll be able to move on the other things. And pretty much most of the major stuff is done on it. I am adding different, I wouldn't say scans, but different like styles. That way it's just not one like the original Flappy Bird. Again, try to make it as unique as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and add another frame. Delete this, that, delete that. And then, sorry guys, I literally just got eating as well, so I'm kind of a little bit of a gas bubble. Plus, I haven't been feeling too well as well. Notice I've been getting sick a lot lately. I don't know why. It's because I'm getting old. Anyways, go ahead and just finish this off. I'm not sure what I mean. I can't just fill it in because it'll cost that. So, but again, this is gonna work out. And once this is done, all I gotta do is just a little bit of bits and ants, and like I mentioned, I'll be able to showcase it. It is gonna go on Android first. Well, God dang it. Once it's done for Android, I'll be able to put it on the Play Store or Apple. There we go. Go ahead and add the frame. Delete this. And then we're almost done. I forgot I'm working on a bigger canvas. All right, we're almost done. And I guess I can choose all the other ones. So do it all. We're going. Oh. Okay, no, alright, yeah. It was. Like I said, it's gonna be a simple one just because trying to focus on getting that down. Honestly, I kind of wanted to take a break from trying to make YouTube stuff and just focus on finishing that, but it's been like what, almost 260 days since I've been doing this. So it's kind of a routine, and if I don't do anything, I feel like I wasted the day. So there you go. So this is a game icon that I made for my Flappy inspired game. Its animation is actually going to set on top already existing textures that I already have, and it is scaled up, so I don't have to do it by hand again, which is great. I am using Godot, which makes a lot simpler for pixel games instead of Unreal like I was using. Anyway, so keep an eye on that since I am going to be showing that off soon. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.